In this quick video, I'll show you how to install Google Play Store on PC, Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So as you can see, I have installed this Play Store app on my PC and I'll show you how you can install it as well. So firstly, I need to uninstall it in order to install it in front of you. Firstly, open any browser in your computer. I'll use Google Chrome for the sake of this video. Then search on your browser play.google.com. Once you search it, it will show you this website. Now to install it, we need to tap on the three dots which will be available on top right corner. Once you tap on it, hover over save and share, then click on install page as app and it will show you this pop-up. Here choose your app name. I want to name it Play Store. Once you type it, click on install and the app will be installed in your computer. You can see the app in my desktop as well. I can open it by double tapping on it, and if in future you want to uninstall it, then tap on the three dots, then click on uninstall Play Store and tap on remove and the application will be removed from your computer. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.